Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla Model 3 bumper, full guide. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the 12V battery for safety. Gather basic tools like a T25 driver, trim tools, and a 10mm socket. Remove jewelry and secure loose clothing before you begin. Work in daylight or good lighting, and keep a parts tray handy to organize clips, screws, and fasteners for reassembly. Open the frunk and peel back the upper trunk liner to reveal the top bumper fasteners, then remove those screws. Crawl under the front and remove the air dam screws and plastic rivets carefully. Turn the wheel and remove screws from each wheel well, then use trim tools to unclip the side retainers. Keep each fastener type labeled so you can reinstall them in the correct locations later. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfortable, durable wear in the garage. I use them during long repair sessions, and they really hold up. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. With all fasteners removed, reach into the wheel wells and disconnect any fog lights and parking sensor connectors. Starting at one corner, gently pry the bumper free from its clips and work across to the other side, keeping even pressure. When the bumper is free from the clips, lift it slightly to clear lower mounts and have an assistant support its weight while you disconnect remaining electrical connectors and set the bumper on a padded surface.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.